Hello friends, today we are going to learn about unit number 5, total productive maintenance and replacement. We are going to study about numericals based on replacement analysis. Let us start the reading of the numerical. The first cost of the new machine is rupees 2 lakhs. The running and maintenance cost during the nth year is given by Rn is equal to 20,000 into n minus 1, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Determine the optimum replacement age when first, money value is constant. Second, discount rate is 5%. Let us start the solution. Let us denote this letter C, which is nothing but the capital cost, and S is nothing but the scrap value. Starting with the first condition, that is when money value is constant. Initially, we are going to start with the finding out maintenance cost for each and every year. Let us start with the first year. So for the first year, Rn means maintenance cost is equal to 20,000 into 1 minus 1. Here n is nothing but 1 for the first year. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So that is why the maintenance cost Rn is equal to 0 for the first year. Now for the second year, Rn is equal to 20,000 into 2 minus 1. So here n is 2. That is why 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 20,000, it is equal to 20,000. So for the second year, maintenance cost Rn is equal to 20,000. Now for the third year, Rn is equal to 20,000 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 40,000. Okay, so likewise we are going to find out the maintenance cost for the upcoming years. Now we are going to find out the solution in terms of a table or in tabular format. So in this table will include columns like year, purchase price, annual maintenance cost, summation of maintenance cost, total cost, and average annual cost. Year is denoted by letter N. Purchase price is C minus S. Then annual cost is denoted by F of T. Summation of maintenance cost is nothing but summation of F of T, and total cost is nothing but summation of C minus S plus summation of F of T. And finally we can calculate average annual cost by using this formula, that is 1 by n into total cost. Let us start with the first year. So for first year, the purchase price for the machine is 2 lakhs. Okay, so for all the years from first year to last year, that is the 7th year, the purchase price will remain constant. you can observe here. Now let us find out the annual maintenance cost, that is F of t, for the first year. And we all know that for the first year the annual maintenance cost is 0, which we have seen previously. Okay, now summation of maintenance cost will be 0. So finally the total cost for the first year is the summation of purchase price plus summation of F of t, that is 0. That means 2 lakh plus 0, it is nothing but 2 lakhs. Now we are going to find out the average annual cost for the first year by using this formula, that is 1 by n into total cost. So for the first year value of n will be 1, so 1 by 1 is 1, so 1 into total cost is 2 lakhs, that is equal to 2 lakhs. So for the first year the average annual cost is 2 lakhs. Now similarly we are going to find out these values for the second year. Okay, so I have already mentioned that the purchase price will remain constant for the all the years. Then the annual maintenance cost is 20,000 for the second year. We have found out this value previously. So by using this formula we have found out Rn is equal to 20,000 for second year. The same values we have put over here. Okay, now the summation of total maintenance cost for the second year, which is nothing but the summation of maintenance cost for first year and second year. So 0 plus 20,000, it is equal to 20,000 for the second year. Now the total cost for the second year is 2 lakhs plus 20,000 equals to 2 lakh 20,000. Average annual cost for the second year is 1 by 2 into total cost is 2 lakh into 2 lakh 20,000. So when we divide this value by 2, it is nothing but 1 lakh and 10,000. Let us move ahead. So for the third year, purchase price will remain same. Maintenance cost will be 40,000. We have calculated this value by using formula Rn is equal to 20,000 into n minus 1. Okay, so the summation of total maintenance cost at the end of third year will be 0 plus 20,000 plus 40,000. It is equal to 60,000. Right? Now the total cost for the third year is 2 lakh plus 60,000 equals to 2 lakh 60,000. Average annual cost is 1 by 3 into 2 lakh 60,000. So 1 by 3 into 2 lakh 60,000, it is equal to 86,666.67. Right? Similarly, we are going to find out average annual cost for the fourth year. So purchase price will remain constant, that is 2 lakhs. annual maintenance cost is 60,000. Total maintenance cost at the end of fourth year, it will be 1,20,000. So 60,000 plus 60,000, 1,20,000. Total cost is 2 lakh plus 1,20,000 is 3,20,000, and average annual cost is 1 by 4 into 3,20,000. So it is equal to 80,000. Similarly, we can find out the maintenance cost for the remaining years. So 2 lakh, again 80,000. So total maintenance cost at the end of fifth year is 1,20,000 into 80,000, that is 2 lakhs. So this 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs, so total cost is 4 lakh. Then 1 by 5 into 4 lakh, it is equal to 80,000. So for the sixth year, 2 lakhs, again annual maintenance cost is 1 lakh. Summation of summation of